You guys didn't see me coming, did you? But hey guys, it's me, Ron, and today, you guys blah 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 blah. Who cares? Well, today I am going to be doing. Let me check my schedule. And now let's see. Okay, we're gonna do how to make up ramen in the microwave. Wait, we can't start off with an introduction. Hey guys, it's me, Ron, and we're gonna be dabbing today. And we're gonna be smiling. We're gonna try to smile the whole video, guys, okay? No, you're what? Hey, don't just try. Hey, what? So try to smile the whole entire video. This is hard. I'm gonna tell you that. Okay, starting now. Okay, guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make top ramen in the microwave. Okay, so what we're going to do first is get the top ramen, take it out and put it into a bowl. So if you're gonna make, oh yeah, and this is how you make it in the microwave. Okay, so today we're gonna be showing how to make a 2-pack one, like 1 and 2 packs. Okay, so first you get 2 packs of ramen. You get a bowl probably about this big. Okay, about this big. Okay, and fill the 2 top ramens in there. It's like spill the 2 top ramens in there, and then put some hot water in there. It's like fill it, so you're trying to build up this big, fill it up like to like halfway, yeah. And then you gotta put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. And then after the timer goes off, you get a fork and you stir it. And then you put it in for 30 minutes. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. And then after you do and put it in, then after the timer goes off, after your timer goes off, you get your fork, open it in the microwave, and stir it again. Then you put it in for 30 seconds, one more time. And then after the timer goes off, you take it out, and in the back there was a little patch. You spill that in. Spill that little patch in, okay? So, and then after that, stir it up. And it's gonna be really hot, so I suggest you put some ice in it, or something to cool it down. And yeah, then you can eat and enjoy. Yeah? Hopefully you guys like the video. Okay, you guys can put your regular face back on. Okay, now remember, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, we can't live without dabbing. Hey, dab, dab. Here, you guys, let's dab 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A, 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 A. But remember, guys, always be smiling, always be dabbing. Dab, dab. Okay, bye, guys. See ya.